And today I'm going to show you the machine about the door shutter rail. There is some rail applied for the rolling shutter door. That is a simple machine, and this machine is made for our domestic customer. This machine somehow is our new generation design. It's integrated, and here I can give you some general idea. Firstly, we can share the profile shape with you. This is used for rail. And as normally, I will introduce you as our new generation, because the electricity, the hydraulic pump will be put inside the machine body. Like here is the oil ending. Can add oil, and there is some filter. Here is hydraulic pump, and here we already put the electricity cabinet inside the machine body, and here it's the operation panel. It's coupled by delta system. And it's normally what I tell you. Here is the casting pillar with chain transmission. Simply because of the machine, the profile is not complicated. Profile, the machine somehow is not a heavy duty, so chain is enough. And the line combine the color in feeding table, and we add some cleaner here to protect the roller. And this is the forming stations. And even the roller is kind of vertical one to save more space. And the roller, everything is well combined. Somehow, the reason why we designed this kind of the machine is only for easily moving in your workshop and easily to ship out. And more customers prefer this kind of design. Somehow it's in a good locking, and it's in a good operation. Here's the general machine overview. And it combined the 13 rolling stations. And here is the Turkish head. It's used for just the formed profile. And here is one unit for punching. Okay, this is the overview. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for your support. See you next time. Bye-bye.